In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a welcome email in Beehiiv. Welcome emails are an essential first step in engaging with your subscribers, setting the stage for a fantastic interaction right from their very first contact with you. Let's jump into the process of setting up your welcome email with Beehiiv, ensuring your new subscribers feel right at home. First things first, you'll need to log into your Beehiiv account. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're in, take a look at the left panel, scroll down and find the settings option. This is where you'll access all the configurations you need to perfect your emails. Clicking on settings will reveal more options. You'll want to select emails from this list to head straight into the heart of your email setup operations. Now, as you're exploring these settings, scroll down a bit further until you see the preset emails section. This is your new favorite spot because here lies the gem we've been searching for, the welcome email. If this is your first time setting up a welcome email, you'll see the option labeled configure welcome email. Click into that to initiate the setup process. If you've previously set this up and are simply tweaking it a bit, you'll click edit email instead. Either way, you're on the path toward a beautifully crafted welcome email that resonates with your subscribers. On the welcome email edit page, you have some important details to fill in. Start by crafting a compelling subject line and a short snippet of preview text. These serve as your email's first impression, the virtual handshake if you will, so make them count. Next, move on to the content box where you'll create the main body of your email. This is where you warmly welcome your subscribers, introduce your brand, and perhaps even offer something enticing like a special offer or valuable information. Once you've crafted your content, you'll want to see how it all comes together. Click on preview to visualize exactly how this email will appear in your subscribers' inbox. Take the time to ensure it looks as sharp and welcoming as you imagined, checking for any typos or formatting quirks. Feeling satisfied with how your welcome email appears? Great. It's time to make it official. Click save to lock in your changes and activate your custom crafted welcome message. Finally, return to the preset email section one last time. You'll see the option to toggle the welcome email to on. Make sure it's switched to the on position, and just like that, your email is live and ready to greet new subscribers. There you have it, a cohesive process for setting up your welcome email in Beehiiv. By following these steps, you've ensured that each new subscriber receives a warm, engaging first email experience. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.